In this session, we are going to study about the transmission groups. So first is selection of the range ratio. Suppose that the gearbox, it is the highest RPM will be denoted by N max, the lowest RPM will be denoted by N minimum. The number of steps, speed steps Z into which the range between N max and N minimum is divided. The number of stages in which the required number of speed steps are to be achieved. So we can have the two-stage gearbox or three-stage gearbox likewise to get the required number of speed steps. An important parameter in designing the speed box is the range ratio. Rn is given by Rn will be equal to N max upon N min. So it is the ratio of the maximum speed to the minimum speed. So what is the range ratio values for the machine tools? So these are the some standard range ratio value for the machines. Likewise, suppose shaping machine, the range ratio will be 10. So the ratio of the maximum speed to the minimum speed of the shaping machine is 10. Suppose that the RPM values N1 and N2 will be will constitute a geometric progression. So the range ratio will be equal to Nz upon N1. So that can be also obtained by phi raised to Z minus 1, where phi is the geometric progression. It is also obtained by phi will equal to a range ratio raised to 1 upon Z minus 1. From that we can find out the number of speed steps Z. So how many number of speed steps will be required? Z will be equal to log of Rn into phi upon log of phi. These are the some standard phi values. Then we can obtain the how many number of stages required to get to achieve the required number of speed steps. For example, if Z equal 27, the speed steps are to be obtained in a 3 stages. Then at each stage we must have Z. So it can be obtained by suppose that Z equal to 27. So we have to take the either square root or cube root, because there can be gear pace of 2 or 3. So it can be the cube root or square root. So cube root of the Z27 will be equal to 3. So 27 number speed steps can be obtained in 3 number of stages. But however, suppose the obtained value is not integer, then in that case we have to write down the Z in the terms of 2 and 3. So 2 raised to E1 or into 3 raised to E2, and then take the addition of E1 and E2, we'll get the number of stages, number of transmission stages. So we can break up the speed steps. Suppose that number lies between 5 and 7. So we have to round it up to the Z equal to 6. Likewise, we can have the 6, 8, 9, 12 number of steps. 12 is not with the 12 will be there. Suppose that the Z number of speed steps are to obtain in the number of transmission. If P1 is the number of speed steps in the first transmission group, P2 is the number of speed steps in the second transmission group. Then after the second stage we have P1 into P2 speed steps. So we have to multiply the P1 and P2 values to obtain the speed steps. Similarly, after the third stage we have the P1 into P2 into P3 number of speed steps. So Z speed steps after the number of transmission, that is Z equal to P1 into P2 into P3. Then suppose speed steps on the one shaft, which will give us the two speed values. So from one input shaft, one input we have on that input shaft there can be 2 gears. From that we will get the 2 speed values. So the number of speed steps of the particular transmission group will be equal to P equal to 2. So speed steps will be denoted by P, that are 2. If the transmission is through gears, the transmission ratios that provide the 2 new speed values must lie in the following range. Imax is equal to I minimum equal to 1 by 4. It means that suppose that when we want to increase the speed, it can be increased by 2 times only, up to 2 times, and when we want to decrease the speed, it can be decreased by 1 by 4 times. So maximum reduction of the speed is limited to 4 times to keep the radial dimension of the speed box within the reasonable limit. If you go beyond that, the radial dimension will increase, and while the maximum increase of the speed is restricted to 2 times due to the limitation of the pitch line velocity. So transmission, due to that one, transmission range of the group will be equal to 8. Suppose that there are Z speed steps N1, N2, N3 in a particular transmission group such that n2 upon n1 equal to k, and speeds on the last shaft of the speed box must constitute a geometric progression. The following, which follows the k equal to 5 raised to x. Here x is known as the characteristic of the transmission group, and it denotes the number of steps of the spindle RPM geometric progression by which two adjacent RPM values of the particular group are separated. The transmission group may thus be conveniently denoted by P and X. So we can denote the value in P and X, where P is the number of speed steps in the transmission group and X is its characteristics. The transmission range of the mth group can be calculated from the expression Im will be equal to P phi raised to Pm minus 1 into Xm, where Pm is the number of speed steps in the mth group and Xm is the characteristics. Similarly, number of speed steps is represented in the form of z equal to p1, p2, p3 up to pu. This expression can be written in a number of ways by the arranging the p2, p2, p3 up to pu times in the different position. Like suppose that z equal to 6, so we can write the z as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. So we can rearrange the position of the p1 and p2, x1, x2. So we can write down the structural formula in the we can write down in a number of ways. The total number of possible combination is denoted by u factorial upon q factorial, where q is the number of groups which with the identical transmission. For example, if z equal to p1, p2, p3, there are no identical transmission, and the number of ways of representing z equal to 3 factorial will be equal to 6. However, if any two transmissions are identical, p1 equal to p2 or p1 equal to p3 or p2 equal to p3, then q will be 2, and z equal to 3 factorial upon 2 factorial, so it will be 3. Since the RPM values of the output shaft of the speed box ought to be in the geometric progression, there must be one transmission group that has the correct characteristic x equal to 1. So from the in that case, there will be one input shaft which is running at the single output, single input, so the x1 will be 1. This group is known as the main transmission group, and the phi will be equal to phi raised to 1 will be phi. The next transmission group has the characteristic of the x2 will be x2 equal to p1, a progression ratio of phi raised to x2 or phi raised to p1, where p1 is the number of speed steps in the first group. Similarly, third transmission group has a characteristic x3 equal to p1, p2, so the progression ratio p1 and p2, etc. Thus, a more elaborate expression for z may be written as where z equal to p1 into x1 into p2 into x2, where x1 is normally 1, x2 will be the value of p corresponding to the value of x1, and x3 will be the